Hello, welcome back to the Cash Flow Return on Investment Financial Longest Spreadsheet. Okay, so finish the growth rate and project return on investment. So down below in the worksheet section, there's the project cash flows which required. These are the ones that I do not want it to input and calculate because it could mess things up and they are very difficult. So I will go down and show it to you so you can see the figures. So it's a long if statement. Requires a lot of dollar signs and it's a PMD included. Right, that's a short one. Equals if $sign E4 it's more than equals F14, comma F21 two brackets. Same with number 4. So if statement again, same with here. That's very difficult as well present them instead of typing them up. So typing everything's gonna be way too hard. It would be way too much effort. So I chose the ones that were simple enough for me to show you to do them yourself in the future. If you ever wanted to do this cash flow return investments that you want to do in your own time. Okay, so again, these require a lot of if statements. I won't worry about percent all log. I'll move on and go down to the next heading. So the next heading is gross cash flow. So gross cash flow number 1 equals sum A21 A36 and bracket 0. So I'm gonna make sure I got that correctly. I did. So let's move on to number 2. $27 for number 2. So number 3 equals sum J21 J36 48 equals number 4 H21 H 36 brackets 65. Sum again for number 5. And 52. Now to number 6. J21 J36 number 7. And to number 8. And to number 9. Okay, number 10. Number 11. Wow, big number for number 11. But hold on, that's not correct. So that was not correct. I was expect 0. Yeah. So the answer is 0. So let's move on to number 12. Yeah, they realise how did that big number come up? I realised it did not enter the relevant letter that was selected. Okay, number 12. Zero. So I reckon all the rest of the numbers up to 20 will be 0. Okay, now into 14 on OR. Number 15 on S. Okay, now into 16 on T. Seventeen on U. Okay, 18 on V. Okay, 19 on W. And then number 20 on X. Right, okay, now the next one I need to do is to calculate the investment NWC. So investment NWC. The first one will be the simple and easy one, while the rest will be hard and difficult. So E7 multiplied by E8. So initial investments multiplied by a percentage non-depreciating 20. Number 2 will be a long-if statement. Multiplied by $sign E8. Multiplied by 1 plus F16 bracket, comma 0 bracket. Oh, so I got that insert correctly. The answer is number 22. Okay, number 3. Okay, so number 3. Multiplied by 1 plus G16, comma 0 bracket 19. Investments number 4. Bracket multiplication $78. Okay, number 5. Okay, now number 6. And number 7. Okay, click enter. I will continue on for the next video. Unfortunately, I'm about to run out of time, so I will finish off the investment NWC. I do not need to calculate the release NWC. It's not really important and very relevant. And some tables are very confusing. So we'll continue on and continue and finish off the investment NWC, and then I will move on and try and finish off the rest of the worksheet. So thank you all for watching this. Stay safe, wash your hands, and have a good evening, and enjoy your weekend. Adios.